Have you ever thought about the power of consideration and how it can transform your life and relationships? Consideration, a seemingly simple concept, holds profound implications. It's more than just a fleeting thought or a passing courtesy. It's an ingrained habit, a consistent practice that breathes life into our interactions, infusing them with respect, empathy, and understanding. Let's pause for a moment. Consideration. What does it mean to you? Is it a part of your daily routine, or is it an afterthought? How often do you apply it in your personal relationships or professional encounters? In this video, we're going to explore the incredible power of consideration. We'll unravel its layers and delve into its essence. We'll see how it can transform not just our relationships, but our lives, our outlook, and our understanding of the world around us. As we delve into the power of consideration, remember, it's not just about thinking, but about action. Imagine Ravi, a young man from a small town in India, who moved to the bustling city to chase his dreams. With high hopes and ambitions, he stepped foot in the urban jungle, his eyes gleaming with anticipation. He was ready to conquer the world, but little did he know, the world was not just about him. Ravi was a hard worker, no doubt about that. He clocked long hours, never missed a deadline, and was always eager to prove his worth. But his ambition had a blinding effect on him. He became so focused on his dreams that he began to ignore the dreams of others. As time passed, Ravi's lack of consideration became more pronounced. He started missing out on the little things, like a friend's birthday or a co-worker's promotion. He was so engrossed in his world that he failed to acknowledge the world around him. The people who once admired his drive began to drift away, tired of his one-sided interactions. Opportunities, too, began to evade him. He lost out on projects because he didn't consider the team's perspective. He missed out on partnerships because he didn't value the other party's input. His lack of consideration was not just affecting his relationships, but also his career prospects. The once bustling city that was full of promise now seemed cold and lonely to Ravi. His dreams were still there, but the path to achieving them had become a solitary one. His high hopes were slowly replaced with regret and disappointment. The city that was supposed to be a land of opportunities was now a maze of missed chances. But as they say, it's never too late to learn. Ravi's journey was about to take a turn as he realized the power of consideration. In the face of adversity, Ravi decided to change. He started to consider others' feelings and perspectives. This was not a simple decision, nor was it an overnight transformation. It was a journey, a conscious decision to shift his mindset and behavior. Ravi began to listen, truly listen, to the people around him. He made an effort to understand their perspectives, their beliefs, their fears, and their aspirations. He started to engage in conversations not to win or to assert his own opinion, but to learn and grow. He realized that everyone has a story, every voice has a unique tune, and every individual has a different perspective. He started to respect people's feelings even when they differed from his own. He learned to empathize, to step into another person's shoes and see the world through their eyes. He started to value emotional intelligence as much as intellectual intelligence. He became more patient, more understanding, more compassionate. There were moments of struggle, moments of self-doubt, moments when he felt like reverting to his old ways. But he persisted. He continued to consider others, to respect their feelings, to value their perspectives. He was determined to transform, to become a better person, a better friend, a better colleague, a better leader. Slowly but surely, his efforts started to pay off. People started to notice the change in him. They started to appreciate his new approach, his new mindset. They started to respect him, not because of his position or his achievements, but because of his consideration, his empathy, his respect for others. Ravi's transformation was not just about changing his behavior or his attitude. It was about changing his mindset, his values, his beliefs. It was about becoming more considerate, more empathetic, more respectful. It was about understanding that every individual is unique, every perspective is valuable, every emotion is important. Ravi's transformation was a testament to the power of consideration. When Ravi started to consider others, his life began to change. This change was not just a subtle shift, but a profound transformation that reshaped his existence. Ravi's newfound consideration for others became a beacon that guided his actions and decisions. As he began to value the perspectives of those around him, He started to build more meaningful relationships, relationships that were not just based on transactional needs, but on mutual respect and understanding. This shift did not go unnoticed. People started to appreciate Ravi for his empathy, for his willingness to step into their shoes. Opportunities too began to come his way. Doors that were previously closed started to open, not because he was more qualified or more skilled, but because he was more considerate. He was someone people wanted to be around, someone they trusted. All these positive changes, all these opportunities were a direct result of Ravi's consideration for others. Ravi's story is a powerful illustration of the power of consideration. As we reflect on Ravi's story, we see the transformative power of consideration. It is not just a passive thought process. No, it's an active, deliberate decision that shapes our actions and interactions with the world around us. From understanding Ravi's journey, we've seen how consideration can lead to personal growth and transformation. It was the catalyst that helped Ravi change his perspective, enabling him to advance in his professional life and improve his personal relationships. Consideration isn't a one-time action. It's a conscious, ongoing choice that we make every day. It's about being aware of the impact of our actions on others, considering their feelings and making decisions that respect and acknowledge their experiences. And, as Ravi's story demonstrates, this approach can open up new opportunities and foster stronger, more meaningful connections with the people around us. Remember, the power of consideration can transform your life just like it transformed Ravi's. So start considering today.